A fireworks display on Bastille Day along the French Riviera turned bloody in what is now being investigated as an extremist attack. A delivery truck plowed into a crowd of people on the French National Day celebration in Nice, killing at least 75 and wounding scores more, a local politician said. The long-distance delivery truck drove at high speeds, well over 100 meters along the famed Promenade d'Anglaise, mowing over the mass of revelers. Local French media, citing a prosecutor, say terrorist investigators have since taken over the Nice attack probe. Washington saying it appeared to be a, quote, terrorist attack. Social media video appeared to show lifeless victims lying in pools of their own blood. Witness Frank Sidoli describes the pandemonium immediately after the attack.
The emergency services turned up half an hour later. A truck smashed into everyone. There was no security. It took the firemen 25 minutes or half an hour to arrive. We were working. It happened there on the promenade. Afterwards, there were shots and everything.
Police shot and killed the truck's driver. French President François Hollande, who was in southern France at the time of the attack, rushed back to Paris, directly to the National Crisis Center. He had hours earlier said a state of emergency put in place after an attack on Paris 8 months ago would not need to be extended, only later to be hit with the news of yet another attack.